Hello and welcome back to Wicklow. So this is part 2 of gravity fed sluice box, also known as this thing. So in part 1 we got it set up, we got it operational. The next task is I'm going to set up the sluice box downstream where I want it. So I'm going to head down with the sluice box and we'll get this operational. Right, so you can see where the water is cascading down through here and it's all getting out through this section, and I want to go on here. I'm just going to move these rocks around. Water comes through here. Happy days, sluice works. I'm going to be doing a lot of fast flame. Let's try not to get started again. Like earlier on, I'm going to do a lot of fast framing. So now we have the plan. We set up the sluice box, get the pipe to line up just at the edge of the box. Would I be quicker with a shovel? Absolutely. Would a shovel be as much fun? No. If this works out, I can get a bigger hose. So you know what's coming next. We've got the plan. You know what we're doing. Let's go find the shiny. What I'll do is I'll work the tailings in first and then I'll work that in. But that's not looking too bad at all. Right, what I'm going to do is up to the other end of the sluice box. And once I have the sluice box running properly, so that's the plan. Going to get the sluice working and then I'll come back to the configuration of the pipes. If you haven't seen the first part of this, I'll put a link down below or up here somewhere to the other thing. Right, I'm going to crack on with this. Okay, we're up at the business end of the sluice box, so I'm just going to start packing rocks around this and see if I get it working. See the difference that rock made? Parking that rock there has made a lovely difference because now the water comes up, hits that wall and goes straight down the V. And if I can grab around this, get this fully working, and then what we can do is I can just go back to running the other thing. Right, just crack on with it. Let's go find some shiny. Okay, you see where we've a bit of an issue with the pipe. There's no water coming through it. The reason being, the gravel that's coming through is in a 1 1/4 inch, then comes down into a 1 1/2 inch. It's probably bottlenecking here. I'd say that's where it is. If I pull that out, that'll where it clears. So I'm going to just unplug this one and see if that's it. This is it by any chance. Yeah, only a tiny bit of water. It's probably just a jam up there. You can see where it's a green hose. I want to go from there straight on to where the sluice is there. So that's a roundabout's way of saying I'm going to finish up here for today. I'm going to crack on with dialing in the system. I'll pack up and I'll see you tomorrow, 8 PM GMT. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. We're going to go find some shiny. Right, I'll see you tomorrow, 8 PM GMT. Bye bye.